In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Myki to your Apple Wallet. So it's the same process to add a transit card on your iPhone or Apple Watch, right? So I'm going to show you how to first do this to your iPhone, right? So on your iPhone, you want to open up the Wallet app, tap on the Add button, the plus button, and then tap on Transit Card to basically add a new transit card, or you can tap the previous card to add a transit card that you previously had added to the Wallet app, but it's probably expired, right? Then you want to choose a transit card from the list, or you can search by location or card name. So in this case, I want you to search up Myki. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on continue, and choose an amount or a pass to put on your card, and then tap on add. Just follow the steps on the screen, confirm your purchase, and add your transit card. Now for your Apple Watch, right? Same process. On your Apple Watch, open up the wallet tab, scroll down, tap on add card, and then it's just the same process pretty much. So I hope this guide provided a value to you, okay? And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.